If the vehicle's electrical system fails, for example due to a dead battery, the cassette lift can be operated manually. Remove the protective caps from the emergency operation mechanisms. Retrieve the black knurled screw from the PARAVAN tool bag. Insert it into the lower thread of the oval emergency release opening. Turn the screw clockwise until you feel noticeable resistance. The motor is now disengaged. You can now manually extend or retract the platform. Loosen the knurled screw. Insert the Allen key into the emergency lowering valve of the round emergency release device. Carefully turn it counterclockwise. The platform will begin to lower. To close, turn the valve clockwise. Pull out the safety pin and remove the small locking bolt. The roll-off safety mechanism is now freely movable. After use, secure it again. Fold it up, insert the locking bolt, and reinsert the safety pin. Attach the supplied pump lever to the pump mechanism. Move it horizontally back and forth. The platform will slowly rise. To retract the platform, either continue pumping or release the valve. The correct position is reached when the holding plates are parallel to the lifting arms. Remove the pump lever. Disengage the retraction motor again by turning the knurled screw clockwise. Manually push the platform into the cassette. Attach the flap lock. Slide the metal bracket on the left into the guide rail and secure it with the knurled screw. Re-engage the retraction motor by unscrewing the large knurled screw. Reinstall the protective caps in the openings. The lift is now secured. Please have it inspected at a workshop as soon as possible.